Alright, how you doing, YouTube? I'm back with another video here. I'm in my local Walmart and I just wanted to actually shoot a video to show you guys how Walmart price certain items that you can find actual good deals here. I actually looked and found a great deal just now. This is the weed and grass killer I actually reviewed last week. I used on my lawn. It was cheaper. Now they actually have it back at $8.47. But as you can go along, and as I went along and was searching, they have the Roundup Super Concentrate, the 50% glyphosate. I know a lot of you guys don't like Roundup, the company, for their bad business practice and lying, but I found it interesting that it's labeled for $44 here. And they have the regular one for $18.76, same size, 18% glyphosate. But the super concentrate 50% is actually ringing up as $11. So that is a great deal. It is crazy because the Walmart brand with the 41% glyphosate, the super concentrate weed and grass killer, is $8.47. Then I guess the newer model, the newer formula one, is weed and grass killer, 41% glyphosate. It's $14.76. So Roundup, the name brand product with 50% glyphosate, is actually $11. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up a couple of these bottles here, and I'll show you guys the receipt once I purchase it and ring out. I'll post all of that, but it's amazing how Walmart actually prices certain items and you can find great deals here. It's crazy. Like certain items, like this item here, the season long weed control Bayer Advance, actually says $11. I'm at $7, sorry about that. But it also rings up as $4. So I don't know what's going on, but they got a lot of these items clearance down. So if you got a local Walmart next to you, I will advise you to go in there and check it out. You might find a great deal. It's crazy. But as you can see, look, this is the big jug of the regular formula with the 18% glyphosate. It's $35. Why would I buy that one when I can get the super Roundup with the 50%, the stronger formula? It says $44.88, but once I scanned it, it actually said $11. So we'll see how it works out. Alright, so I'm about to go and find this price scanner to show you guys what they're ringing up for. Let's check out the first one. $11. It's crazy. This is a great deal that you can't beat. These things are going for $50 a bottle. And as you can see, I'm scanning it. $11. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up two. So I would advise you guys to go to your local Walmart and check out and see if there's any hidden deals in there. You might come up on something. Alright, so stay tuned.